Hello, welcome to Learning Programming with JavaScript number 23. In this, I'm going to teach you about the Base-16 number system, also known as hexadecimal. So a few tutorials ago, we covered the binary Base2 number system. This is going to use the same logic from that. When you get to the last digit, for example 9, in our Base10 number system, you loop back around to 0 and then add another counter on the left of 1. Same logic applies in binary, where when you get to the last digit 1, you reset to 0 and add another counter on the left. We're going to do this same thing in hexadecimal. Base16 goes past the digit 9 and adds 6 more characters. So you can write hexadecimal here using 0x. So just like binary is 0b, hexadecimal is 0x. After 9, we actually go to A. A in hexadecimal is equal to 10 in base 10. Next is B, and then C, D, E, and F. A, B, C, D, E, F. That gives us the 6 more digits in hexadecimal, counting up to 15. If you include the digit 0, that actually gives you a total of 16 numbers. After you get to the last F digit, you reset to 0 and you add another 1 on the left. There we go, 16. Alright, so hexadecimal is actually commonly used for a lot of things in programming. It's used to represent bytes. You might see the final digit of bytes 255 as 0xFF. And it's also used to write ASCII and key character codes. So if we go to this ASCII character set chart here, if we look at these numbers under each character, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, it's in hex, is how computers encode letters and numbers. So if we look here, we've got uppercase A as 41. So in JavaScript, we've got the function String.fromCharCode, and this will take a character code and convert it to a string. So if we do 0x41, we can see this gives us capital A. Or for example, if we did this squiggly line at the end, 7e, you can see it generates the squiggly line. Now this opens the door to a lot of programmed text functions. For example, if you wanted to generate a random letter, you would do math.random times the number of letters. Now you can see it generated L, P, B, I, F. It generates a random character each time. Congratulations! You have now learned about Base2 and Base16 number systems. The two most, as far as I'm aware, these are the two most commonly used number systems besides Base10 and our decimal number system. Thank you for watching this learning program with JavaScript tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.